Open chapter number 6, page number 56. G. Today we have to start from nose. G. Open page number 56. Nose. G. We have to start from nose. As we have studied the other sense organs about eyes, ears, now today we will study nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, so it is not in much detail about these sense organs. So we have to start today from nose. Open page number 56. What is nose used for? What is the sense organ for? For smelling and breathing. Underline. This sense organ is used for smelling and breathing. So we used nose to smell and to breathe. What are smells? Smells are chemicals in the air. Okay, whenever we breathe in air, we can also smell, because smells are chemicals which are present in the air. These smells, these chemicals are in the air. So now they are telling you, as you can see this structure of the nose, which is present at the right hand side of the book. This is the structure of the nose. There are nostrils present. Okay, and this one is the hair like nerve cells. Now you know that nerve cells are present in each and every sense organ. Nerve cells are present in the eyes, nerve cells are present in the ears, and now nerve cells are present in the nose. So these are hair like nerve cells, and this is the main nerve, olfactory nerve. What is it? Olfactory nerve. This is the main nerve which take the signals towards the brain. It takes the signals towards the brain. Now, as we
इधर इधर हमारे घर
smell and breathe. So what are smells? Smells are chemicals which are present in the smells are chemicals in the air. So I was telling you that there are nerves which are present in each and every sense organ. Nerves are present in the eyes, these are present in the ears, and they are also present in the nose. So there are millions of hair-like nerve cells which are present at the upper end of nose. As you can see in the structure of the nose, look at the diagram in your book. Structure of nose is given. As you can see that there are millions of hair-like nerve cells. These nerve cells, they take the messages towards the brain when the chemicals reach these cells. So when we breathe in through our nose, the chemicals which are present in the air, they reach towards these cells and they send messages to the brain through a nerve called the olfactory nerve. So the major nerve which takes the messages to the brain is the olfactory nerve. You can see it is written over here, olfactory nerve. This is the major nerve which takes the messages towards the brain. So underline, When the chemicals reach these cells, they send messages to the brain through a nerve called the olfactory nerve. The brain then recognizes the smell. What we are smelling, the brain tells us. Like we have studied that what we are seeing, the brain tells us. What we are hearing, the brain tells us. Similarly, what we are smelling, the brain tells us. So these chemicals or these smells are also taken by the nerve cells towards our brain, and the brain tells us that what the brain recognizes the smell. For example, if you are smelling a flower, and or if you smell the scent of a perfume, then how did you know that you are smelling a perfume, the scent of a perfume? Because your brain is telling you. Okay, the brain recognizes the smell. Brain recognizes smell. So smells are chemicals in the air. Underline this line as well. So olfactory, so we have studied like in every sense organ there are nerves present. Similarly, in nose as well there are nerves present, and there are many hair-like nerve cells which are attached to the major nerve. As you can see, these are the hair-like nerve cells. You can see at the right-hand side of your book, hair-like nerve cells is written. So these are the hair-like nerve cells, and they just send the signals towards the olfactory nerve, and the olfactory nerve is the major nerve which carries the messages towards the brain. Now, care of the nose. So obviously we can take care of nose by using handkerchief, and we should not put any object in nose. Okay, you can read, any one of you can read care of the nose. Yes, Ibra, you can read care of the nose. Unmute yourself.
Care of the nose. Keep your nostrils clean by blowing your nose in the wash basin or in a clean handkerchief. Do not put any object in your nose.
So do not put any object in your nose. It's dangerous. We should not put any kind of, or especially children put things in their nose. So they should take care of their nose. Now we have to study tongue. As you are seeing, this is tongue. Now, how the tongue is for, as we have studied every sense organ, now in this sense organ we will study the taste buds. Now on the tongue, taste buds are present. There are 4 kinds of taste buds which are for tasting food. These are bitter, sour, salty, and sweet. These are the 4 taste buds: bitter, sour, salty, and sweet. Now you can see at the front of your tongue are which taste buds present? Sweet. Means if we eat something sweet, some biscuits, some chocolates, some toffees, then our front of the tongue detects the taste, that what we are tasting. जो हमारी टंग की फ्रंट साइड है वो डिटेक्ट करेगी टेस्ट को कि what we are tasting. If we are tasting some kind of sweet thing, if we taste some salty thing like some kind of salty chips, so this portion of the tongue detects the salt. Now if we eat something sour, sour means khatta, like if we eat any kind of sour thing like sour grapes or sour any kind of fruit or any vegetable or anything, so this portion of the tongue, where it is written, this portion of the tongue detects the sour taste, and the bitter taste is at the back of the tongue. Okay, the back of the tongue detects the bitter taste. Bitter means karwa. Like if we taste something bitter, it is detected at the back of the tongue. So there are 4 taste buds present on the tongue. How many taste buds are present on the tongue? 4. So the tongue helps you to taste and to speak. Yes, Ibra.
टीचर मुझे समझ नहीं आई कि बिटर का मीनिंग क्या है.
Bitter means karwa.
Okay.
So The tongue helps you to taste and to speak. We speak, we taste with the help of the tongue. Okay. So the tongue rolls the food around in the mouth. Okay. With the help of the tongue, whatever we eat, firstly the food rolls in our mouth. ठीक है? We chew the food through teeth ना, हम teeth के जरिए food को chew करते हैं. तो food roll किसके जरिए करते हैं? How can we roll the food? We roll the food through tongue. That you taste your food as it moves over your tongue. यानी हम जैसे food को roll करते हैं तो उसका taste हमें पता लग जाता है what we are tasting because we have taste buds on our tongue. The tip means the tip, the front portion of the tongue, that is called the tip. The sides and the back of your tongue is covered with tiny bumps. There are tiny bumps present on the tongue. Bumps होते हैं जैसे थोड़े थोड़े घरेनुमा जो होते हैं bumps. So there are tiny bumps present on the tongue. Inside the bumps are cells called taste buds. Underline what is present on the tongue? Tiny bumps. And what is present inside the bumps? There are cells present which are called taste buds. Okay, these cells are called the taste buds. What are taste buds? There are 4 taste buds: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter, which help us to taste the different kinds of spices, the different kinds of sweets, biscuits, and different kinds of food. So taste buds on different parts of the tongue pick up different tastes. Okay, we can pick up different tastes. We can eat different kinds of food. We can have the taste of different kinds of food through these taste buds. Food tastes better if you can smell it. Food also tastes better if you can see it. Okay, like if we smell the food, जैसे कुछ खानों की बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू होती है, उनकी इतनी खुशबू होती है कि वो पूरे मतलब यानी जैसे एक हॉल है या एक रूम है तो उस पूरे रूम में वो spread कर जाती है. तो food tastes better if you can smell it, and food also tastes better if you can see it. So care of the tongue. How can we take care of the tongue? We need to clean our tongue when you brush your teeth. Means you can also take care of your tongue by using your toothbrush. Like you clean your teeth with the help of the toothbrush. And in the same way, you can also clean your tongue. Okay, it will kill the germs or it will protect your tongue. So the last sense organ is skin, which is the last sense organ, skin. So what we have studied about tongue, the main important thing is that there are taste buds present on the tongue. How many taste buds are present on the tongue? There are 4 taste buds present on the tongue. These are sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Listen carefully. I will ask at the end. Okay, what we have studied. So these taste buds give us taste of different kinds of food. Okay, last is skin. Now the skin covers your entire body. The skin is all over our body. It has millions of tiny nerve endings. So हमने पढ़ा है ना कि हर चीज में क्या है nerves है. So skin also has nerves. Skin के ऊपर भी क्या present है? Nerves. Skin also has nerves. It has millions of tiny nerve endings. Underline. The nerves in some places are closer together. Like in some places the nerves are close. They help you to feel hot, cold, pain, pressure, and touch. There are nerve endings for each receptor. Like to feel to feel temperature, hot, cold, pain, pressure, or touch. So there are the receptors present on the skin. You can feel if a pin pricks, for example, if a pin is pricked in your hand, you can feel the pain. Okay, because there are nerve endings present for each kind of temperature, pressure, each kind of receptor. There are nerve endings present for each kind of feelings, like hot, cold, pain, pressure, each kind of feeling. There are nerve endings present on the skin, and we can feel the pain. Like for example, if we have touched something hot, we immediately know that we have touched something hot, and we draw our hand back. Like just we have studied about the reflex section. So this is how that nerve endings are present on the skin. These nerves take the messages towards the brain, and then the brain tells us what we are feeling. फिर हमें brain बताता है कि हम क्या feel कर रहे हैं. जी इब्राहिम.
Teacher, I wanted to ask that is there skin on our tongue because we feel things when our tongue
Basically,
any
it's not skin. You can say that it's there are receptors present on the tongue. These receptors, if for example, if like अगर कोई हमारी जबान पे भी जैसे कोई फ्लाई काट ले, कोई ग्रिड काट ले, इस तरीके से कोई चीज, तो we can feel the pain. ठीक है? So because there are receptors present which take the messages towards the brain. क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा ना कि जो हमारे फेस पे जितने भी सेंस ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट हैं वो डायरेक्टली उनका कनेक्शन किसके साथ है? ब्रेन के साथ है. जो हमारी आईज है, ईयर्स है, नोज है, टंग है, ये सब डायरेक्टली इनका कनेक्शन किसके साथ है? ब्रेन के साथ है. So if we feel any kind of pain, if we feel any kind of temperature or anything, so it is like immediately known by the brain. The brain immediately tells us what we are feeling. Brain हमें बता देता है कि हम मतलब अगर हम हमें जो है वो कोई मतलब कोई भी feeling है तो brain immediately tells us. So now we are studying about the skin. The skin is covering the entire body. It has millions of tiny nerve endings. Underline, the skin has millions of tiny nerve endings, and these nerve endings are somewhere they are present close together, and somewhere they have some space. So now care of the skin. So how should we take care of the skin? Keep your skin clean by washing it with soap and water. Wear clean clothes. An injury to the skin should never be ignored. If your skin is injured, you should immediately go to the doctor or apply an antiseptic to prevent infection. या फिर अगर छोटी मोटी चोट लग गई है तो you should apply some kind of an antiseptic or some kind of like अगर burn हो गया तो burning जो medicines होती हैं या जो creams होती हैं वो फौरी तौर पर आपको लगा देनी चाहिए ताकि निशान ना रह जाए. To prevent infection, eat healthy food and drink plenty of water. To keep the skin fresh, you should eat plenty of food and drink water. Do you know? देखें, underline करें. The human brain produces enough electricity to power a low voltage bulb. यानी ह्यूमन ब्रेन जो है, क्योंकि ह्यूमन ब्रेन भी नर्व्स है ना, तो नर्व्स जो है वो इतनी फास्ट मूव करती है जैसे कोई इलेक्ट्रिक करंट मूव कर रहा है. तो ह्यूमन ब्रेन में इतनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इतनी नर्व इम्पल्सेस प्रोड्यूस हो जाती है, इतनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो जाती है टू पावर अ लो वोल्टेज बल्ब. कि अगर एक लो वोल्टेज बल्ब है ना तो वो ह्यूमन ब्रेन उसको मतलब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई कर सकता है. इतनी मतलब हमारे जो है दिमाग में, हमारे ब्रेन में इतनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो. Okay, so we have done the reading. Open page number.
okay.
Open your exercise, page number 58. G. So we have to do exercise now. You have to, students, you have to complete the question answers. And firstly, you need to write the new words as you have written in the previous chapters. Now in this chapter as well, you need to write the new words, which are cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, iris, and pupil. So what are these? What is cerebrum? The largest part of the brain. What is cerebellum? The part of the brain situated at the back of the head. Cerebellum मैंने आपको बताया था ना, वो leaf-like structure जो कि हमारे head की back पर होता है. Medulla, the part which connects the brain to the spinal cord. Spinal cord और brain के दरमियान जो हिस्सा है, that is the medulla. Iris, the colored circle of the eye. The colored circle on which lens is attached, that is the iris. Pupil, the small opening in the eye which lets light. So exercise. Yes, you tell me one by one. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. The dash bring messages to the brain. Nerves या veins? Yes, Ibra.
Nerves.
Nerves, yes.
Nerves.
Good. Yes, right, nerves. The dash is protected inside the backbone. What is protected inside the backbone? Yes, Marriage. Yes, unmute yourself, Marriage.
Yes, miss.
What is the dash is protected inside the backbone? Spinal cord or medulla?
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Number 3. Yes, everyone writes spinal cord. Number 3. Dash nerves send messages from the brain to the muscles and glands of the body.
Sensory.
G. Manahid. Yes? Dua, what you are saying?
Sensory.
Sensory? No, it's wrong. क्योंकि sensory जो है they take messages from the sense organs to the brain. Sensory से देखो ना, sensory means sense. So they take messages from the sense organs to the brain. Motor nerves send messages from the brain to the muscles or glands. हमने पढ़ा था ना कि motor nerves जो है वो messages carry करती हैं from the brain towards the muscles and glands. The right motor. Okay, the colored circle in the eye is called the dash. Cornea or iris? Yes, next student.
Iris.
G, iris. Good. It right, iris. The colored circle in the eye is called iris. Yes, Ibra, next you tell me. Smells are dash in the air.
Chemicals.
Chemicals, yes, because we have studied smells are chemicals in the air. Okay, next, marriage. The part of the brain which controls and coordinates the movements of the voluntary muscles. Which part of the brain controls the movement of the voluntary muscles? G. Cerebrum or cerebellum? I will give you two options. Cerebrum or cerebellum? Yes, okay, Bra, you can tell.
The cerebrum.
Cerebellum, good. Yes, it's cerebellum that controls the movements of the voluntary muscles, right? Cerebellum. The spellings are written in the new words. Next, nerves that send signals from the sense organs to the brain, as well as carry messages from the brain to the sense organs. जी दुआ, tell me. अब वो आपको पता है कि वो नर्व्स जो हैं उस सेंस ऑर्गन से ब्रेन में भी जा रही है और फिर ब्रेन से वापस सेंस ऑर्गन में, तो ऐसी नर्व्स हमने कौन सी पढ़ी थी जो दोनों काम कर रही हैं? दुआ दे जी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ दुआ.
Sensory.
नो, सेंसरी का तो मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि दे जस्ट टेक मैसेजेस फ्रॉम द सेंस ऑर्गन्स टू द ब्रेन. वो वापस तो नहीं लेकर आती, जो दोनों फंक्शन कर रही हैं. व्हाट आर दे दीज? हमने एक और तरह की नर्व्स पढ़ी थी, एक तो हमने सेंसरी पढ़ी थी, एक मोटर पढ़ी थी, और हमने एक और नर्व्स पढ़ी थी जो दोनों फंक्शन कर रही हैं. कि सेंसरी सेंस ऑर्गन से लेके जा रही है ब्रेन में और ब्रेन से वापस लेकर आ रही है सेंस ऑर्गन्स में. यस मानिश, कैन यू टेल मी? Okay, I will tell you. It's mixed nerves. Mixed nerves. याद नहीं आप लोगों को कि मैंने एक और nerves पढ़ाई थी जो दोनों functions करती हैं. They take messages from the brain, from the sense organs to the brain, as well as they take messages from the brain towards the sense organs. Okay. So these are mixed nerves. Okay, last one. Students, unmute. Mixed kid. M-I-X-E-D. Mixed.
Okay, teacher.
Unmute yourself, all of you. I have unmuted all of you. Unmute yourself. Okay, the nerve that carries messages from the eyes to the brain. अब मुझे बताएं eyes में जो nerve present.
Optic nerve.
Optic nerve, good. That is optic nerve that is present in the eyes, which take messages to the brain. और हमने हर सेंस ऑर्गन में एक अलग नर्व पढ़ी है ना, जैसे हमने जो है वो आइज में हमने ऑप्टिक नर्व स्टडी की. फिर इसी तरीके से हमने पढ़ी कि ईयर्स में भी देयर इज अ नर्व प्रेजेंट व्हिच टेक मैसेजेस टू द ब्रेन. और फिर इसी तरह नोज में ऑल्फैक्टरी नर्व कैरी मैसेजेस टू द ब्रेन. तो हमने हर पार्ट में सेपरेट नर्व स्टडी. The opening in the iris, जो iris है, that is the colored part. So what is the opening in the iris called?
Pupil.
Pupil. Yes, it's pupil. Marish, unmute yourself. Dua, you as well. Unmute yourself. जी, pupil. P-U-P-I-L. Pupil. So now students, answer दी तो मैं आपसे भी पूछती हूँ. पहले आप लोग ओपन करें पेज नंबर 59. Page 59. Rewrite correctly. So this is the task which you have to rewrite correctly. ये आपने जो है वो rewrite करना है. अब मुझे बताएं, the network of nerves is found only in the skull. Network हमने nerves सिर्फ skull में study की है.
No.
So where are
in
the
the whole human
body? Yes, good. It is the network of nerves is found all over the body. तो आप लोग only in the skull को cut करें. Just cut this page I am telling you, okay? Only in the skull को cut करके आप लोग लिखें all over the body. The network of nerves is found only in the skull. Just cut only in the skull and write all over the body. ठीक है. उसके बाद next is the medulla control the movement of muscles. G. Movement of muscles कौन control करता है? Voluntary muscles. It is about voluntary muscles. कौन control करता है movement of muscles? अभी हमने blanks में भी किया है कि जो voluntary muscles हैं उनको कौन control करते हैं? Which part of the brain controls the voluntary muscles? Cerebrum or cerebellum? अभी मैंने आपको बताया blanks में.
cerebellum.
Cerebellum. Cerebellum. So you just cut medulla and write C-E-R-E-B-E-L-L-U-M. Cerebellum. It's cerebellum. The cerebellum controls the movement of muscles. Okay, question number 3. Nerves from the head region are connected to the spinal cord. मैंने आपको बताया था, अभी repeatedly अभी बताया दोबारा कि जो हमारी head region की nerves हैं वो किससे connected होती हैं? Spinal cord से या फिर Marriage, unmute yourself. Now no one will speak. Only Marriage will tell me. Unmute yourself, Marriage. G. Marriage, unmute yourself. Yes, Sibra, you can tell. Or Dua, you can जो जिसको भी आंसर आता है. Nerves from the head region are connected to the spinal cord. क्या कट करने हमने इसमें? स्टूडेंट स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को कट करेंगे ना. मैंने आपको भी बताया था कि जो हमारी फेस पे जो नर्व्स प्रेजेंट है, जो हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स में नर्व्स प्रेजेंट है, वो किससे कनेक्टेड होती है? वेयर आर दे कनेक्टेड? ब्रेन. सो यू जस्ट कट स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एंड राइट ब्रेन. जो हेड रीजन क्या है कि हमारा फेस जो है, तो नर्व्स फ्रॉम द हेड रीजन आर कनेक्टेड टू द ब्रेन. Okay, number 4. Sensory nerves send signals from the brain to the sense organs. इसमें आप मुझे बताएं क्या कंफ्यूजन है? What is wrong in this sentence?
Sensory. टीचर्स जहाँ पे सेंसरी लिखा है वहाँ पे मोटर आना चाहिए.
लेकिन मोटर नर्व्स जो है वो ब्रेन से सेंस ऑर्गन्स में तो नहीं भेजती. फिर आपको वो भी कट करना पड़ेगा सेंस ऑर्गन्स को. फिर इससे बेहतर है आप लोग ब्रेन टू द सेंस ऑर्गन वाला ही कट कर दें. इसको सेंसरी नर्व्स ही रहने दें. सेंसरी नर्व सेंड सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम दी जी फ्रॉम वेयर टू. सेंसरी किससे निकला है वर्ड? सेंसरी मींस टू
सेंस ऑर्गन.
यस. So sensory nerve sends signals from the sense organs to the towards the brain. So just cut brain to the sense organs and write sense organs to the brain. ठीक है, मतलब इसको ऑपोजिट कर दे, जो जहाँ ब्रेन लिखे है उसको कट करके सेंस ऑर्गन्स लिखे और जहाँ सेंस ऑर्गन्स लिखे वहाँ कट करके ब्रेन लिखे. ओके, और अगर आप लोग इसको मोटर नर्व्स लिखना चाहते हैं तो फिर आपको सेंस ऑर्गन्स को कट करके लिखना पड़ेगा मसल्स एंड ग्लैंड्स. ओके, नाउ द ऑप्शन इज यू कैन राइट इन बोथ वेज. अगर आप इसको मोटर नर्व्स की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो फिर आपको सेंस ऑर्गन्स को कट करके मसल्स और ग्लैंड्स लिखना पड़ेगा. So now the next one. Yes, Dua. The ear is divided into two parts. How many parts ears have?
outer, middle, inner.
Outer, middle और inner ear. ठीक है, तो कितने parts हो गए? 2, 3.
Parts.
3 parts. So cut. The ear is divided into 2 को कट करके लिखें 3. 3 parts. The outer ऊपर करके लिखें middle and the inner ear. ठीक है, outer, inner, middle and inner. Okay, taste buds at the back of the tongue taste sweet things. What is wrong in this sentence?
टीचर स्वीट, उसे कट करके बेटर लिखना.
उसको कट करके बेटर भी लिख सकते हैं और अगर आप बैक की जगह आप फ्रंट भी लिख सकते हैं. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू राइट. टेस्ट बड्स एट द फ्रंट ऑफ द टंग टेस्ट स्वीट थिंग्स. आप अगर बैक ऑफ द टंग रहना चाहते हैं तो फिर लिखते हैं टेस्ट बिटर थिंग्स. तो दोनों ऑप्शंस हैं, यू कैन राइट एज व्हाट यू वांट. ओके, थिंक एंड राइट डाउन 5. समझ में आ गई है? टेस्ट बड्स एट द बैक ऑफ द टंग टेस्ट स्वीट को कट करके बिटर लिखते हैं. BITTER. Okay, think and write down 5 reflex sections. ये आप लोगों का होमवर्क है. Write homework above brainstorm. You need to write down 5 reflex sections. Okay, can you explain me what is a reflex section? Reflex section होता क्या है? There are some actions which are not controlled by the brain or the spinal cord. They are just reflex. They are muscles or they are controlled automatically.
हमारा क्या होमवर्क है?
Joints. Are the joints?
Reflex section student हमने study नहीं किया था कि when we touch something hot object or something like a needle prick in our hand, so we at once jerk our hand back. This is a reflex section. It is controlled by the spinal cord. It is not controlled by the brain. तो आपने कोई ऐसे 5 रिफ्लेक्स सेक्शंस लिखने हैं जो कि जिनमें ब्रेन कंट्रोल नहीं करता, बल्कि वो किससे कंट्रोल होते हैं? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से. और फिर आपसे मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में पूछूंगी कि ये आपने क्यों लिखे हैं, व्हाई डू यू हैव राइट दोस 5. और ये सबका होमवर्क है, ये सबने जो है सब स्टूडेंट्स ने ये होमवर्क करना है कि ठीक है, राइट डाउन 5. ये जो नीचे स्पेस है इधर ही आप लोग लिखिएगा 5 रिफ्लेक्स सेक्शन. जैसे एक तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि touching a hot object and drying and the hand jerks back. This is a reflex section. ठीक है, और बाकी 4 आप लोग खुद सोच लें कि आपने क्या क्या लिखनी है, जिसमें आपका ब्रेन की इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है. ये जस्ट ओनली इन्वॉल्व दी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, सिर्फ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की इन्वॉल्वमेंट आती है. अच्छा, मुझे बताएं इसके आप लोगों ने, अब आप लोगों का होमवर्क है, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास which is on Thursday, we will start the next chapter. तो आपने जो इसके ये 6 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं ये कंप्लीट करने हैं, लर्न करने हैं, because in the next class I will listen from you. Name the organs that form the nervous system. जी बताएं. First question. Name the organs that form the nervous system. Nervous system.
Brain, nerves.
Yes.
The spinal cord.
Okay, spinal cord. So, next question. With a neat diagram, write a short note on the cerebrum. अब आपने cerebrum की diagram draw करनी है और साथ ही आपने उस पर note भी लिखना है. What is the reflex section? Which part of the nervous system control? Reflex section मैंने आपको भी बता दिया है. Which part of the nervous system control reflex section? Yes, tell me.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord controls. Yes, spinal cord. Okay, how do the eyes help us to see? आपने ये भी learn करना है. How does the tongue help you to taste the food? G, what does tongue have so that we can taste the food? Yes, Dua. What is the tongue having so that we can taste the food?
चलो अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स मार्क करवाएं सी पॉइंट के.
You have got notes, ना? Notes मिल रहे हैं आप लोगों को? Ibra, you have received notes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so you have to
Yes.
use your notes to write the answers, ठीक है? So,
मुझे देते हैं.
yes. Okay, so you have to complete your homework, the question answers part C and the brainstorm on page number 59.
Okay.
And I will ask in the next class and we will start the next chapter that is about safety and first aid.
कॉपी पे क्या 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 करना है?
All the question answers you have to do on notebook, new words,